Take a quick look. Here's how I'm paying off over $200,000 in taxes and debt completely on autopilot without even having to look at my money. First, I'm using the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of all of my personal income goes towards my needs, such as bills and mortgage payments. 30% goes towards wants, like dining and vacations. And the remaining 20% goes towards saving and investing, like stocks, high-yield savings, crypto, and other investments. Second, I'm using the Profit First strategy by Mike Michalowicz, where I take 40% of all my business income and pay myself first. 30% then goes to operating expenses to run the business. 15% is set aside for taxes, 10% goes to the company credit card, and the 5% left over goes to a profit holdings account. Taxes are always set aside first, and then my credit and loan debts are paid based on how much income I can bring in for that month. I then duplicate the profit first strategy for all of my other income sources. This is all set up with my newest obsession, a financial router tool called Sequence. Sequence lets me create a money map and completely automate all of my finances all from one powerful platform. I'm able to automate and perform transfers from my accounts based on smart rules that I create. If you'd like to see what Sequence can do for yourself, and I highly recommend that you do, go to getsequence.io and use the code MIKE for 10% off and thank me later.